Composting is one of the easiest ways to reduce your environmental footprint. A compost pile takes what many would consider to be trash and turns it into a healthy soil amendment. Kitchen scraps, leaves, twigs, grass clippings, and paper are just a few things you likely already have on hand that can be used in a compost pile. Some things to avoid composting are diseased plants, weed seeds, pet waste, dairy, grease, and oil. Some composters allow their piles to heat up and turn them regularly to speed up the process. Other composters, like myself, keep their piles cold and let nature do the labor. A finished compost will look, feel, and smell like a really healthy soil and can be used anywhere from flower beds to houseplants to the garden. No matter how you want to compost, consider starting a pile today to reduce your household waste and give back to nature.